Oh, it's video. I almost flipped out the chair. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna be doing a haul. I went to Tj Maxx and Marshalls like twice, so I'm just gonna show you guys the things I got, and also I'm gonna be doing like a PR unboxing, and also like just unboxing. Some stuff isn't PR, some stuff is like for like collab purposes, but I'm just gonna show you guys all the new stuff that I have gotten recently. Of course, I'm going to start with like the stuff I found, like the Tj Maxx and Marshall finds and stuff. So I really should have separated this because I don't even know. Oh yeah, and also I bought some new stuff too, so I'm gonna just be showing y'all like basically all the new like items I have. And I have a broken eyeshadow all over my desk because I was just doing this look on, and my eyeshadow started to break, so it's like everywhere. So if my boxes look a little dingy, I promise it's because of the eyeshadow. But we're gonna start with Tj Maxx. I went to Tj Maxx a few weeks ago, or like a few weeks ago, and I found a lot of Anastasia stuff. So the first thing I want to show you guys is this loose highlighter. It's in the shade Peach Fizz, and I found this in Anastasia. I found this in Tj Maxx for only $6, and I believe, I don't know the, okay, is it gonna focus? I found this for only $6, and I'm gonna put like the original prices on the screen so you guys can kind of compare. But I definitely would encourage you guys to go to Tj Maxx because they had a lot of like, they had a lot of Anastasia stuff. But this is what the highlighter, looks like, and the packaging just always gets me. But yeah, I got this for only $5.99. Some other things I found in there was, I found this setting powder. So I got this for clients. You guys didn't know I do client makeup. I found this one in golden orange, and I also found this. These are loose setting powders, by the way. I found this one in deep peach. These are both $12.99 each. I know for a fact these retail for a little bit over $30, almost $40, but like I said, I have like little pop-ups going on so you guys can see. Here they are. So I found those for $12.99 each, and I was really shocked to see like these in there because I was actually gonna buy the powders because I recently, well, it wasn't recently, but I got the foundation, the luminous foundation, and I just wanted to try them together. I have a habit of wanting to try, like, it's not really a habit, but I just be wanting to try like one brand just to see how like all the products work together. And I also found these lipsticks. I should have unboxed all this stuff first. And these all were $6.99 each. This one at the bottom was $7.99, but these were all $6.99 each. And I think these retail for about $20. I don't know. I'm gonna just, like I said, I'm gonna have a pop-up so y'all can see for yourself. And here are the names just in case you guys were curious. Oh, okay. Just take them all out the box so you guys can see them all. That is what they all look like. Y'all know I am crazy over nudes, so yeah, I feel like I was holding those so awkward. But yeah, that's what those look like. And also from Tj Maxx, I found this Marc Jacobs Undercover Perfecting Coconut Face Primer. This one I knew, first of all, I already know Marc Jacobs is not cheap, and I knew it had to be something worth getting because they had it locked up in like the little box where, you know, you have to take it to the cashier and get them to unlock the box so you can get the product out of it, so you can't steal it without the little alarm coming off. So I got this for $20, and I believe this one is originally like $40 or $45. But I have not used this yet. I cannot wait to try it out because I actually don't own anything from Marc Jacobs except for this now. And then the last thing I got of Tj Maxx was this Smashbox Photo Finish Super Light Smooth and Blur Primer. And I got this for $17.99, and I believe this one retails for about $30 or $35. It's $17.99, y'all. I don't know why it ain't focusing. This is the only Smashbox primer I saw, so I definitely had to go ahead and get it. I Also, I've never tried Smashbox before. I've been wanting to try like their setting mist, but I just never got it. That's everything I got from TJ Maxx. So now we're gonna go to Marshalls. I went in Marshalls with my boyfriend and forgot to even go look at the makeup. We ended up looking at clothes, and then I just went to Marshalls a few days ago, and in there I actually found the translucent Anastasia. I don't know what's wrong with my camera, y'all. It's not wanting to focus on nothing. Oh, there we go. I went in there and found the Anastasia translucent setting powder. So I got the translucent one as well. And this one was also $12.99 in Marshalls. So it's the same price in Marshalls and TJ Maxx. But I just didn't see any translucent ones when I was in TJ Maxx. So I picked this one up too. And then something I was really shocked to see was this Milk Makeup translucent powder. I've never seen, so Blur and Set matte loose setting powder. I've never seen like Milk in any of those stores before. I don't know if y'all can even see it, but I got this one as well, you guys. For some reason I'm like obsessed with setting powders. And like I said, once again, make sure you guys open everything and check it before you buy it, so you can make sure it hasn't been tampered with and you know it's no germs in it, especially with Rona going around. Definitely open it and make sure everything is brand new. So I found that in Marshalls, and then I also found what else did I find in Marshalls? I also found this Becca Primer. It is the Velvet Blurring Primer Perfecting Base. And Becca is not cheap either, so I'm pretty sure this one retail is probably about $30 to $35. Yeah, those are only 3 things I got out of Marshalls, because I wasn't trying to spend too much money, because I have a ton of makeup that I already do not use, and I just need to actually use what I have instead of collecting it. I remember one of you guys were telling me a few months ago when I showed you guys me setting up my shelf. She was like, yeah, I wish I could remember her name, but she was like, yeah, I really gotten to the point where I just collect makeup, and I feel like I've gotten to that point too, and it's really not good because I find myself spending money and never using the products. So now I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the things that I bought recently. I bought the Rare Beauty foundation. I've swatched it on my face, but as far as actually like wearing it out, to me it's a little oily. It doesn't give me the really full coverage that I want, but at the same time I've never really, you know, wore it or like put it on with the primer and stuff. I'm the shade 410, if you guys were wondering. I only got the foundation. I didn't get, you know, the concealer and all the other stuff, just the foundation, because I just really wanted to try it. And then something else that I bought was the MAC lip gloss, the clear one. I bought this because a lot of people were hyping it up. I saw some people talking about it. They were like, you know, the MAC lip gloss is the only lip gloss I'll spend $20 on. I actually got it on sale at Ulta for $10, well $9, because it was 50% off. I think it's like $18 exact or something like that. $20, but I got it for half off. I will tell you guys, it literally is the same as the beauty supply store lip gloss. So you don't need this. It's pretty and all. It might make you feel special because it's a MAC, but literally are the exact same. They're both thick and just really moisturizing. Oh wait, this one I got at this beauty supply store for like $1, and this one was, like I said, got it for about $10, but it retails for almost $20, or it might be exactly $20. You definitely do not need a $20 lip gloss. So something else I decided to go ahead and get was the Masquerade Mini and the Magic Mini from Juvia's Place, because they were both on sale like as a bundle for $25. So I got both of these palettes for $25. That's also how I ended up getting my Warrior collection. I don't know if it was a glitch in the system, because I know I got on there one time and it was on sale for like $30 or $35. But before that, I got on there and all 3 palettes were like on sale in a bundle for $25. So I went ahead and got the whole bundle for $25. And yeah, I've been eyeing this palette for a while, because Makeup by Tiffany J, one of those, she it's a color here that she uses all the time, and I always wish I had it. So that's what this one looks like. This one is pretty old. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know what this palette looks like, but I got this one. Y'all see the post when they're like, oh, just because something was on sale doesn't mean you need it. Yeah, yeah. And that's what this one looks like. And something else that I got was the Juvia's Place foundation brush. I got the foundation brush because Beats by Deb, I know first of all her skin is really nice, but it's just like this brush I don't know, something about seeing her use it made me want it, so I ended up getting it because I think it was on sale too. Something else that was sent to me for a collab was I got the Insta foundation, and y'all, I didn't realize that it opened like this with a little thing in it. Like, her packaging is always so cute. A company sent it to me because they wanted me to participate in a Halloween collab, so you will be seeing me use this. I'm in shade 323W, and I also already had one of her concealers. I am the shade it's called Sugar Daddy in the number 6, but I also got the number 8, which is a little lighter, so I can have actual highlighting color. And then I also got some more items. These items were also a part of the collab, but I finally got the Inglot. Is that how you say it? The Inglot eyeliner, the gel eyeliner. I think it's a gel. Yes, the eyeliner gel, because I used to see Aaliyah J use this, and I see a lot of people use it. It's really bold and dark, and I'm just so excited to have this eyeliner. I'm not even sure how to say this, but I got this palette. It's a $50 palette. I'm not really sure why it retails for a whole $50. I have a feeling it's because of this packaging. I don't know. I doubt this is real leather. But this palette is pretty basic. I mean, it's colorful though. The colors are so pretty, but I haven't used it yet, as you guys can tell. These colors, they are pigmented, so maybe I do see why it's $50. The else they sent me was the Glow All Night Flawless Face Kit by Beauty Blender. I didn't even know Beauty Blender had setting sprays. This is my first ever Beauty Blender, so I'm gonna try it and see if it's like any different. Also, something else I got was the Worldy Palette from P. Louise. The green in this palette just really, like, it's what sold me. Like, this neon green right here really, like, it just really, you know what, I'm gonna just go ahead, it's on my cart and check out. So yeah, I ended up getting this palette, and it's really pretty. I know I'm kind of late. Like, I've been buying makeup, I just have not been recording, so that's why, I mean, it seems like I'm so late with stuff. I also got the Nikkietutorial Palette. I have not used it yet either. You guys, I'm so behind on everything, but I'm pretty sure you guys already know what the palette looks like. But here it is, just in case you didn't know. So next, I'm going to be showing you guys this PR package from Odin's Eye. I got this a while ago. I just have not really had time. I almost dropped it. I just recently got back into, like, actually sitting here and recording content for you guys. Here's one of the palettes I got from them. And then I also got a purple one. And then there's a blue one. This is called the Ocean Palette. The purple one is the Sky Palette, and the green one is the Forest Palette. But here's the Ocean. Also sent me over their highlighter palette. These, I'm not gonna lie, they look a little bright for my skin tone. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. And they also sent me over this one, and this one is pretty as well. That's that from Odin's Eye, and I will definitely be playing with this palette soon. You guys, they sent me this palette a while ago, and I'm like so behind. So I also got this package from, what's the name of this brand, from Nail Addict in Los Angeles. Thank you, Nail Addict. But she sent me some gel polish. We'll be doing a dedicated video with these because I do want to redo my nails because my nails are a mess. She sent me that, and I also got this cute, like, this mini UV light. It's so cute, and it's in this box. Like, can y'all believe it? It's so cute. So yeah, I got that PR package as well. I believe that's everything. I do have some other items in another box, but I don't really see a point in showing them because I probably am going to just give them away, so I'm not going to, you know, show them. That pretty much sums up this video. I believe that's everything that I got. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up and make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in my next video.